Natural ways to get rid of cellulite. Many factors contribute to the development of cellulite in the body, particularly in women's bodies. Cellulite can arise for a variety of causes, regardless of whether one is slim or overweight. Total body fat, a poor diet, a lack of regular exercise, hormone changes, a sluggish metabolism, and skin density and color are some of the key causes of cellulite. There are several ways to get rid of cellulite, but going for considerably less expensive and natural methods is a win-win scenario for everyone. 1. Exfoliating coffee scrub. Coffee grounds are a great way to exfoliate your skin. This scrub will help to eliminate dead skin cells and replace them with fresh, healthy ones. Massage into your skin to promote blood flow and tighten loose skin caused by cellulite. Mix together and form a paste using 1/4 cup coffee grounds, 3 tablespoons of brown sugar, and 2 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Apply the paste to the afflicted regions and massage thoroughly for several minutes before washing as normal. Repeat once a week until you get your desired results. 2. Apple cider vinegar. Potassium, magnesium, minerals, and calcium are all found in apple cider vinegar. Cellulite is reduced, toxins are eliminated, and excess water around the thighs and stomach is controlled by these chemical components. Mix together 1 part apple cider vinegar, 2 parts water, and a few drops of honey. Massage the mixture into the afflicted regions for 30 minutes, then rinse with lukewarm water. Repeat twice a day until you are happy with the results. 3. Stay hydrated. Water is one element that has the ability to cure anything. Toxins are found in cellulite, and drinking enough water each day is sufficient to cleanse them out of the body, resulting in a healthy glow and a better immune system. Drinking 2 liters or 8 glasses of water each day is recommended. 4. Dry brushing. Dry brushing is an excellent technique to increase blood circulation, remove dead skin cells, and promote the growth of new cells on your skin. Dry brushing is one of the cheapest ways to encourage lymphatic drainage and eliminate toxins from the body, leaving your skin radiant and free of cellulite. Brush your skin in a counterclockwise direction using a natural bristle brush, beginning at your feet and ending at your shoulders. Do this for 5 minutes twice a day, preferably before showering or going to bed. During this massage, keep both the brush and your body dry. 5. Juniper oil. Juniper essential oil is excellent in lowering fluid absorption in the body and is also beneficial in the reduction of cellulite. Combine 10 drops of juniper oil and 1/4 cup of olive oil. Gently rub the mixture on the cellulite areas for 10 minutes. After a month of massaging this oil combination twice daily, your skin will be smoother and firmer than before. 6. Tangerine oil. Tangerine essential oil is important for eliminating toxins from the body while improving blood circulation and reducing fats. Massage the afflicted regions for 10 minutes twice a day with a mixture of 5 drops of tangerine oil and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. 7. Seaweed. Similar to coffee grounds, seaweed is a natural exfoliant. The benefits of massaging a seaweed paste include improved blood circulation, elimination of toxins from the body, and smoother, cellulite-free skin. Combine 3 tablespoons of ground seaweed, 1/4 cup of sea salt, 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil, and a few drops of your favorite essential oil. Rub the problematic regions for 10 minutes before showering, and repeat once a week until you get the desired effect. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get more videos like this one.